Hello everyone. Hi friends and family. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're doing a Valentine's Day tablescape. Yes, haven't done a tablescape in a while, and one of my subscribers requested this. She was like, I like to drop in on your channel for your tablescapes, and I love doing them, but I like in the algorithm, like they don't do well on my channel, even though I love them. I have a few diehard subscribers that love them, but it was like YouTube doesn't like push these out as much as my other content. So, but I love doing it. So let's see. Got a few items here. You will see a few items like that I used from November for my fall for Thanksgiving, and then I tweaked, moved a few things, and I used it for Christmas. So I'm going to try to. It's going to be pretty much like just tweaking a few things and making a festive Valentine's Day tablescape. And again, if you're new here, welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe. We do a lot of fun decorating, eating, and living tastefully for less. All right, thank you so much, guys. So here we go. Here's a runner. I've had this for years. And I think this was, I got this from Avon. Dollar Tree. to you where I purchased everything. This black runner is probably 15, 20 years old. I got it from Avon. And I got these black placemats here from Ross. And this black charger plate came from Pier 1 years ago. And these clear charger plates came from Favormart. And you've seen these hand-painted plates that came from Pier 1. You've seen them a lot this year and last year. The napkin rings came from, I think these are the ones that came from Hobby Lobby. They were like, they're so beautiful and so well made, but they were like on clearance, probably $1.50. And then these napkins came from Dollar Tree. They're placemats that if you're going to do this type of accordion type of napkin, it's best to either use, either starch and double your napkins or use a placemat. And then I got these bling champagne flutes from Ross. And these candlesticks came from Burlington. These are some Dollar Tree candles. And this vase, this arrangement here, I made this because I sell, during Valentine's Day, I sell roses and gifts and stuff like that. So usually I get my shipment, it comes in a few days before Valentine's Day, and they arrive here, and they're like cut in Ecuador, grown in Ecuador, and they ship them to Miami, and then they come on up here. So this is mine. I have some leather leaf, these beautiful Freedom roses. They're just popping. They love it here. They're popping in some baby's breath. And to give it some little whimsy, I put the balloon in there. You don't have to do that, but that's a part of my things that I sell. I sell balloons with the flowers and some chocolates and stuff like that. The vase is Mikasa, and it's over 30 years old. It was a gift for our wedding. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the 2023. Oh, a lot of people. Now I got people coming at my door. The 2023 Valentine's Day Tablescape. And I want to thank all of you guys so much of your support over the years. And again, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Bye, everybody.